Are you looking for the best 3D printers for beginners? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printers for beginners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1, Creality Ender 3v3 3D Printer. Ender 3v3 features a max printing speed of 250mm per second and 2500mm/s² acceleration, which can print faster while keeping the print quality. Leveling is the basis of print quality. Ender 3v3 features a CR touch sensor for auto leveling and a strain sensor for auto Z offset. Just lay back and enjoy the print success. The Sprite Direct Extruder of Ender 3v3 works well with PLA, PETC, and flexible TPU, unlocking your creative potential. And the extruder is market proven for its reliability, as over 500,000 units have been shipped worldwide. The rigid dual Z-axis reduces Z wobbling. The Y-axis used a pair of 8mm thick linear shafts made of strong and wear-proof steel, able to carry the build platform steadily for a lasting time. Together, they will take good care of each print. Made of strong and wear-proof steel, the linear shafts ensure a lasting, steady motion of the Y-axis. Tap extrude, and the filament will flow out of the nozzle smoothly. Tap retract, and the filament will exit quickly. So, it is effortless to replace the filament. Number 2, Creality Ender 3S1 3D Printer. The Ender 3S1 Pro is a new and improved version of the very successful Ender 3, equipped with a newly developed direct dual gear extruder, automatic bed leveling, 32-bit silent mainboard, among other things. The S1 Pro is a very affordable printer with everything you could wish for at this price point. The Sprite Full Metal Dual Gear Direct Extruder with an extrusion force of 80 newtons ensures smooth feeding when printing with different filaments, especially the flexible TPU. The brand new nozzle made of brass can stand up to 300 C printing temperature, and it is compatible with multiple filaments, such as PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PETC, and PAR, providing more possibilities for creation. Integrated structure equipped with a handle for facile platform pulling out under the high temp condition. The 4.3-inch touch screen, supporting 9 languages, offers efficient UI interaction and is easy to use. It will dim out automatically for energy saving if there is no action for 3 minutes. The equipped LED light enables comprehensive light fill, with which users can observe the printing details even in a dark environment. Equipped with CR Touch, the 16-point auto leveling can complete quickly with compensation for points printing height on the heat bed. Good efficiency saves much time. Number 3, Comgrow T500 3D Printer. Comgrow T500 3D Printer supports 200mm per second max speed 8000mm/s² acceleration. The speed has been greatly improved while maintaining the printing quality, saving 73% of the time compared with other printers. You can complete models efficiently, saving time to wait for print jobs. Moreover, it can keep good printing quality at the same time. It features an inductive transducer for 49-point auto leveling function. Just lay back and enjoy the print success. There is no need to participate manually throughout the process, making leveling much easier. 95% pre-assembly helps customers to get the complete printer soon once received the printer. The Comgrow T500 3D Printer is a friendly printer for all of customers during assembly. It decreased lots of assembly trouble for customers, even beginners. You can save more time in assembly process, just only 15 minutes. You can start enjoy the fun of 3D printing. Comgrow T500 3D Printer can print 19.68 times 19.68 19.68 inches large size models, enabling you to bring grand scale projects to life with exceptional finesse. Also, you can reach the batch production on the large printing area in one time, saving your time to wait for the models. All metal hot end equips hardened nozzle, which enhances wear resistance. enabling printing of mixed carbon fiber or more abrasive and exotic filaments. The hot end can be heated to 300 C, which enables the printer can be compatible with more kinds of filaments, including TPU, PETCF, PLA, PETC, carbon fiber and wood. Direct drive extruder provide consistent extrusion and precise retraction, 6.5 to 1 gear ratio, 50 newtons pulling strength ensures smooth extrusion. Also, there are 3 cooling fans for faster heat dissipation. 7 clipper touchscreen and more upgraded design. Built-in clipper saves you from redundant configuration and additional hardware requirements. The hot end equipped with LED lights for monitoring prints even in low light conditions. The Comgro T500 can be controlled by Wi-Fi transmission for seamless operation remotely. Dual X and Y-axis design enables the printing process to be more stable and precise. Number 4. GTX A10T 3D Printer. GTX A10T 3D Printer, adopting open-source GT2560 control board, delivers mixed color objects and greatly enriches your 3D printing life. Keeping the good performance of GTX 3D printers, it aims to provide users with quality printout and satisfactory printing experience. The modularized design provides you with an easier assembly experience. Its classic blue and black color combo imparts a touch of simplicity and excellence, embodying commitment of GTX to quality products. Keeping Prusa i3 3D printer's gantry structure and with its build volume as 220mm, 220mm, 250mm, A10T makes the best of the building platform and enables you to view the printing details in 360 and printing at the accuracy of 0.1 mm. It delivers objects with smooth surface finish, clear angles and strong structure. Besides, A10T comes with filament detector and break resuming capability, greatly enhancing your 3D printing experience. Its well-designed extruder greatly reduces the risk of clogging or leaking. A10T extruder cover features 360 and ventilation design, greatly enhancing the dissipation of heat and guaranteeing excellent printing quality. A10T extruder motor uses a gear train of 3:1 speed ratio, amplifying input torque and improving your printing experience. Adopting the modularized design for extruder wiring, A10T makes it easy to exchange the wire. The V-shaped wheels and rails on each axis, made from wear-resistant aluminum profile, could, in a large measure, reduce the printing noise and offer you a quiet 3D printing environment. Number 5. An iCubic Cobra 2 Plus 3D Printer. An iCubic Cobra 2 Plus 3D Printer is designed for efficiency, boasting a max speed of 500mm per second and 10,000mm/s² acceleration. Recommended print speed is 300mm per second, which is 10 times faster than a regular FDM 3D printer. Perfect for professionals and beginners. An iCubic Cobra 2 Plus boasts an impressive printing size of 320 x 300 and 2400mm/12.6 by 12.6 by 15.7 inch. Can print models of approximately 41 liters in volume at one time. Full-sized printing of the same model, compared to similar products on the market with a printing speed of 50mm per second, printing time is shortened by 31 hours 35 minutes. Efficient creation, energy saving, and environmental friendly. With the new version of an iCubic app, remote networking, firmware upgrading, and real-time viewing of printer status are achievable. Future updates will also support online slice and printing, video monitoring and time-lapse photography, remote control and management, and an open model library function module. Kickstarting a smart. For more detailed guidance, please find the product guides and documents on the listing page, and then click on User Guide, PDF. By designing a unique module, after automatic leveling, it can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values. meeting the needs of different users and usage environments. One-click quick start for creative ideas, ensuring successful printing. By using direct extruder and a dual motor dual Z-axis motion structure that have been perfectly optimized for the extrusion and cooling systems, it efficiently and accurately delivers materials, allowing for quick melting and cooling. This leads to smooth operation and few visible layer lines. The one-click vibration compensation detects the resonance frequency of the X, Y axis and adjusts the motion control intelligently to effectively eliminate resonance vertical lines and bracket lines, ensuring printing accuracy and stability. With flow control, intelligent compensation for attraction and refilling ensures evenly and fully printed layers, enhancing print quality and detail representation.